Okay, in this math review video, I'm going to show you how to write numbers using words, how to write numbers with words. So you can see I have three different numbers here. We're going to use these as some examples. So in this word here, basically remember the rule that you want to remember is you're going to say the number and then say the place that it's in. Say the number, say the place. So first of all, if I look at this number right here, how do I say this number right here? Well, good. That's 50. So I'm going to write 50, and then I'm going to say the place. This place is in the millions place because this is the ones, the thousands, and the millions. So it's 50 million, and if you see a comma in the number, we're going to put a comma in the words. See the comma right here? We're going to put the comma in the words. So we're going to do the same thing now. Say this number. How do you say that number right there? 235. Good. So we're going to write 200, and you're going to have to excuse my writing. It's a little sloppy using the pad that I'm using. 235, and then I'm going to say the place that it's in. 235, and what place is that in? That's in the thousands. So 235,000, and then we'll say comma, because there's a comma in the number, and then say the number. How do you say that number there? That is how do you say that? 420. So we're then going to write 420. Notice which word did I not say? Which word did I not write? I did not write the word and. Remember, we only write the word and or say the word and when you have a decimal. Never say and unless there's a decimal. So this is 50 million. There's the 50 million. 235,000 because it's in the thousands place. 420. 420. So let's take a look down here on the second example. Remember, we're going to say the number. Say that number. How do you say that number? Good. That's 762. So we'll write 762, and then we're going to say, what place is that in? This is in the millions place. So we're going to have 762 million. Remember, say the number, say the place, or write the number, write the place. So now we're going to go to this middle section. Say that number. What number is that? Good. That's 80. So we're going to put 80, and then we're going to say the place. What place is that? That's in the thousands place. So 80,000. Say the number, say the place, and I'm going to put my comma because I got a comma in the number here. Okay? And then the last part, 905, would be said 900 what? 5. Not 905, just 905 because there's no decimal. All right? Let's try the last one. Remember, we're going to say the number, say the place, say the number, say the place, say the number. So this last one, how do you say that? Well, of course, 8. And what place is that in? This right here is in the millions place. 8, so we're going to write million, comma, because I got a comma in the number. Now on this example, 000, how do you say that number? 0, of course. If it's all zeros, you get to skip that because this is the thousands. How many thousands do I have? 0. 0,000. So I'm just going to skip that and go right to this last one. How do we say that number? 13. Good. That's just 13, and that's it. 13. 8 million, 13, because I've got 8 in the millions place, 13 in the ones place. All right? Now notice up here, it's always, just to review, number, place, number, place, number. Okay? In the second example, 762 million. It's number, place, number, place, number. All right? Number, place, and we got to skip the thousands, just number. All right? So that's how you write numbers using words.